Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and in this video there is going to be a quick review of Adobe Lightroom. Now Adobe Lightroom is one of the many different photo editing apps that's out there from Adobe, and perhaps Adobe Lightroom is one of the most easiest to use apps out there. Now the difference between Adobe Lightroom and Adobe Photoshop is Adobe Photoshop allows you more granular control, whereas Adobe Lightroom allows you to get quick fixes and quick edits on the photo. Now what I really like about Adobe Lightroom is it's very simple and easy to use, and perhaps one of the best features that I like out there is that you can sharpen the image, you can reduce the noise, and a bunch of other things that are out there. And yeah, I mean it's an amazing app. Now I'll tell you a small hack that if you have an Android device, then you can get the Adobe Lightroom for 170 rupees a month, which may be a little expensive on iOS, but on Android you can get it very easily. So I would recommend that you download an Android, take a subscription, and then when you log into your iOS, you use your Android login to log into the app. Now, as you can see, it's a very easy to use app. Most of the settings are in forms of sliders, so you can just quickly change color, temperature, tint, vibrance, etc. The best part I like is that the sharpening and the details is especially useful if you are uploading low resolution photographs and you want to quickly get the image to be a little more sharpened. However, I would recommend you don't over sharpen it, otherwise it looks a little bit of funny, right? And perhaps one of the best things that I like about the fact is that it has this graph that is very easy to use, and then that allows to quickly edit and change the image as per your requirement. Let me just quickly find it. In the meantime, here are all the different options that you can see that's there in the settings of the app. Right. So yeah, I'm unable to find it, but I'm sure it's right around somewhere here. Just like me, just most of you, I am also beginner at this app. So yeah, of course the crop feature allows you to easily change your orientation and crop the picture, especially if you're uploading to different platforms out there. So this is pretty cool in that way. Right, here it is, here the font. So as you can see, this graph is pretty cool, and you can change the color scheme and the light of the picture over there. And here's also, you can see, you can focus on the different elements in the picture, red, green and blue being the three basic features in any photo. I believe you can easily change this. Right. This is perhaps the most useful tool, and I use it all the time while editing my pictures. So that's there. Okay guys, I hope you like this quick review and a hands-on feature. I believe this is the best tool out there to get some fantastic pictures, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.